New Orleans outside, a little bit of an atrium for a hotel, and we step back from the window. Let's turn left. How about a desk? Very simple, a light and a phone as well. We turn to see the room. Where we are, we have a little seat and a table. This is two queen beds in the room, one bedside table for both. Our TV looks like that. This property does have updated rooms above us. I think the 16th floor. I've heard some floor are renovated. Here are our beds, a lot of wooden accents in this room. More wooden accents here with the coffee maker looking like that. Ice bucket and should be a mini fridge like yay. We come into the bathroom. Pretty decent lighting. We have some of the classic products that you might find at a DoubleTree or a Hilton right there. Our toilets looking like that. And we have a tub and a shower combination. The shower heads here. The knob is a little bit offset, so it's right there to the side. Haven't seen that before, I don't think. And then we have a continuation of those products. We do have a closet, which I couldn't find at first, but it's back here. And then, of course, the irons there. The front door does not have a maximum room rate, but we are here kind of in the corner. This is room something something. We turn around, and this is the room, folks. We are in the renovated room, so we turn. We have wallpaper with some tree branches, it looks like, two bedside tables, a nice little kind of a bluish gray color that is accenting this room. We can see that on the curtains. We can see that in the chair. A little marble-esque desk with some rolling chairs right here. Very nice. Artwork on the wall. And then we have our TV that's framed with some wood and some leather. Right here is where our mini fridge is, behind this kind of brass woven door. Got some waters, coffee machine, and some tea. This is what our carpet looks like. So we're stepping back into the hallway from the front door. Got more of that bluish color in the bathroom, brass accents all around, lots of lighting. Wooden, I guess the hair dryer is right here. We do have those classic Hilton products. More of that rose brass on the toilet paper holder. We do have a tub here. This is the shower head. Yeah, everything is much nicer than the older rooms. Yeah, here's the front door. I don't see a maximum room rate on here. We are in room 1815. And last but not least, we do have a closet. And of course, we have our iron and everything in here. So this is the renovated room, folks.